Hello everyone, in this lecture we'll see entire roadmap of this course and we'll go through first beginner level. In beginner level we'll have module from 1 to 5. Coming to module 1, module 1 is just about foundation of database and ORM, and these are the lecture which we'll cover during this module 1. It's just foundation about the database and ORM. Coming to module 2, in module 2 we'll see about the Sequelize models and we'll perform some operation about the models, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 2. Coming to module 3, we'll do CRUD operation mastery, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 3. Coming to module 4, in module 4 we'll learn about the migration and Sequelize CLI, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 4. Coming to module 5, in module 5 we'll design REST API development with Sequelize. We'll set up Express.js application and we'll follow REST API architecture and etc. So these are the lecture details which we'll cover during this module 5. Now we'll discuss about intermediate level modules, and in intermediate level modules we'll have from 6 to 10. In module 6 we'll see about associations and we'll perform operation on association, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 6. Coming to module 7, in module 7 we'll do some advanced query. We'll write complex filtering, complex query, complex and dynamic queries you can say, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 7. Coming to module 8, in module 8 we'll learn about authentication and authorization, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 8. Now coming to module 9, in module 9 we'll see about transaction and concurrency. So we'll see what are the transactions, ACID properties, and etc. And these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 9. Coming to module 10, in module 10 we'll learn about hooks, lifecycle events, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 10. Now coming to advanced level modules, advanced level module is having from 11 to 15. In module 11 we'll learn about the validation and data integrity, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 11. Coming to module 12, in module 12 we'll learn about the TypeScript mastery with Sequelize, and these are the basic lectures which we'll cover during this module 12. Coming to module 13, we'll learn about performance optimization, like how we can write n+1 query problem, query optimization, some indexing part into database, and etc. So these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 13. Coming to module 14, in module 14 we'll learn about the PostgreSQL advanced features. So basically this course has been designed for MySQL, not PostgreSQL, but yes, of course we'll learn about the PostgreSQL, some advanced features, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 14. Now coming to module 15, in module 15 we'll learn about Sequelize with microservices, and nowadays microservices is very famous. Developer is using for enterprise applications, and we'll see like how we can architect microservice architecture and database per services. Will design different services, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 15. Coming to production or enterprise level, it is having from module 16 to 20. In module 16 we'll learn about the testing Sequelize application, how we can write unit test cases. We'll integrate testing part through jest. We'll do some jest setup as well, and we'll do mocking database, how we writing mocking database, and API testing, and we'll see in last test coverage as well. In module 17 we'll go for the deployment through DevOps, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 17. Coming to module 18, we'll design enterprise architecture patterns, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 18. And module 19 is very important. In module 19 we'll design complete enterprise backend system architecture. It's HRMS and payroll management system, and we'll define complete REST API for these applications, and these are the features which we have included in this enterprise HRMS and payroll management system. In module 20 we'll have interview preparations, and these are the lectures which we'll cover during this module 20. This very important module which we'll cover during this course is about HRMS and payroll database schema. We have 26 table, and these all tables I have categorized in 9 modules. We'll see here what are the modules. It's auth module, organization module, employee module, attendance module, leave module, salary, and payroll, recruitment, appraisal. So these are the modules which we'll discuss in this course. And this is the entity relationship diagram. Also we'll learn how we'll define entity relationship diagram for a backend architecture. So you can see here, these are the this is the department table, department designation and employees, and how this employee table belongs to this department. So we'll learn a lot of things in this module. Coming to here, if you see, this users is a table and it belongs to auth module. Role is also table and it belongs to auth module. So these are like completely we'll discuss complete in details once we come into this module. And we'll define complete REST API for this backend system, HRMS backend system.